Open, give me your secrets. I'm holding something that shot through space for billions of years. What have you done to me? Now I get to spank Danny DeVito. That won't hold up in court. It's hard to stab stuff! Uh-oh. Oh, I need a cutting instrument. Okay. That'll work. Oh, damn it! Luckily, it was mostly ice. How do I get coffee stains up? And now time for take two. After the great coffee catastrophe of 2021, we are now beginning the second era of Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb's return with far more packages than I expected to get, and not many letters. You guys aren't big on the letters, which I get. You want to send me packages. Let's just go ahead and jump on in. Oh, wait, what's... Thank you for all that you do, fellow Goblin. I hate Funko Pop. Sins of Empire by Brian McClellan. Oh, it's Brian McClellan again. Furious verse... Okay, so this is another one of his books. I think this takes place in the same world as Powder Mage, and I've actually wanted to get to these, so this saved me a purchase. Yay! Oh, they're cat toys. Pips isn't in here right now. Oh, I smell. What the balls? Why do these smell so strong? These balls are 100% filled with Yao, organically grown catnip. You got me filled balls. Oh, those smell strong. I didn't know you could age catnip. And the worst part is Pips doesn't like catnip. I just remembered I have a face shield for a reason, and I should have been using it, damn it. A nondescript black bag. I remember you getting jocks before and kind of cutely brushing at the camera. Now you're officially part of the alphabet mafia. You should have a tacky pride jock. At least not a Funko. I'm very afraid of... Oh, no. I feel secure and prideful. What's it doing for my ass back here? That's the real question. Okay, wearing sweatpants behind these lights is not the best idea. Okay, what do we got here? A bath bomb, I think. Are you telling me to wash my ass? Part 3 from Samantha. Ooh, it crumbs got out. Ew. Okay. All right, well, I'll look for part 1 and 2. You come in, Pips. I promise I won't throw anything while you're in here. Makwe with the promised flower blooms. I weave my life with yours. Please tell me this isn't Hindi. A stirring, sentimental, stunning... Oh, okay, it's a fantasy epic. That's much better. Hidden away from the eyes of men. Okay, this looks... I'll look into this. A Blu-ray. I thought it was a PS5 game. A Blu-ray! Hi, since your bullying worked, I made the comp video on the stream, by the way. I thought you could use some more One Piece props for filming. Oh, God. I'm gonna be wearing pride jocks and all kinds of stuff before this is over. Well... Look, Ma, I'm a loofers. Actually, I'm a chopper. I'm very happy with this. This is the best thing I've gotten so far. I love this. Phantom Pains with a pretty interesting looking cover there and a long note. Let's try and get this banged out. I watched your reviews of the Dresden Files, which is my favorite book series. Series worthy of your reviews. All the best, Demetrius. Well, Demetrius, I can say alone that this is a pretty sexy book, and it deserves a book spanking. And I hit the other book with it, which counts as a book spank. It makes up for the one I missed. Pips is in here. I was careful not to throw it towards him. Trust me. This is a heavy square box. If anything's gonna be a bomb, it's gonna be this one. Hold up. Open. Give me your secrets. Oh, there we go. Hey, you can't judge me. If it works, it works. I really hope it's not anything delicate. Is that an acorn? Hi, Daniel. Here's a meteorite. It's a El Capodokilo found in 1576 in Argentina, classified as an iron... What the fuck? My apologies, it's a little crumbly, so handle with care. Why the fuck would you send me a meteorite? Oh my god. So you want to keep it in a dry area. Most meteorites are approximately... I'm in Virginia! It's humid everywhere! Most meteorites are approximately 4.5 billion years old, about the same age as our solar system. I started collecting meteorites a few years ago. It's a fun hobby. I find mine on eBay, always through IMCA. Thank you for your YouTube channel. I watch Fantasy News every Tuesday, and it's the highlight of my morning. Your humor and insights help me through an otherwise chaotic year. I've also recommended some great books, which I've enjoyed. I also include an acorn because acorns are awesome. They are awesome. It's possible that the original genetic material for creation came to Earth on an asteroid. I've heard that hypothesis. So I like to think of meteorites as cosmic acorns. David, I'm the chaotic internet weirdo. Why would you send me something so beautiful and wholesome and a part of the universe? Ooh, a little acorn. There we go. Oh my god, I shoved a drill into you. Okay, well, you're keeping... This is dense. Oh my god, that's heavy. I don't want to drop it to display the weight, but good lord. That's like a solid couple of pounds. Way more dense than I thought it would be. You just wrapped it in a drug bag and a paper okay, hold up. I do not trust that some alien curse is not about to fly out of here and turn me into a squid monster. Okay. So heavy. Oh my god. This is... What the fuck is this? I'm holding something that shot through space for billions of years just to end up on my dumbass desk being unboxed in front of a bunch of fucking nerds. That's so dense, I immediately believe it was in space. This is genuinely one of the most dense things I've ever held. That's star material right there. The dust on these rubber gloves is now... What have you done to me? Ah! I'm wrapping this up and putting it away. I will process what this is later. I can't handle this. This is too much. I need to get back to being a goofy, dumb internet weirdo. That's a fundamental building block of the universe. And you've handed it to a guy who gets sent from people online. Oh my god. I love you. Thank you. I cannot tell you how much I cherish this forever, and it'll be a part of something that I bring out constantly to show people and am amazed by. But at the same time, I just got sent a Pride jock strap. That's the vibe. The Danny DeVito coloring book. Just a little bit of light reading from Tyler. I just want to say, back to back, we got the Danny DeVito coloring book coming up next to one of the fundamental building blocks of our solar system that's billions of years old. Welcome to Please Dear God Don't Be a Bomb. Now I get to spank Danny DeVito. Oh. That opened it. I'm recording, right? Drills are not good at cutting. Ah! Okay, man, the drills are okay at cutting. A Deepness in the Sky by Vilor Viga. Oh my god, your name is sexy. Give it a little spank. Pips is interested in the catnip. Fun! Okay, so one package arrived, and it came in a rather phallic tube. I opened a meteor with a drill. Is this supposed to twist off? There. Twist! It says twist and pull! I'm twisting and pulling! Styrofoam. Mew. Oh, whoa. Ah! Maybe I shouldn't have just blindly dropped this on the table. Holy sh... That's a knife! I had to say that because pop culture. I am the chaos god of YouTube. That is my favorite knife that I own now. If I have to murder somebody, there is no question what I'm going for. That won't hold up in court. Ugh. The Living Swords 3. The Burden of Legacy. Okay, we have this. This looks pretty cool. Oh wait, Spanky. Daniel, good to see. Please regard me back. I'm sitting. Take care. Paramy James from Paramy James. Okay, I'm calling this the possible Funko pile, and I don't want that in my life right now. So we're gonna open everything else first. Shut up, Logic. Michael Creechton. Oh, that's the guy who did Jurassic Park. Hi, still haven't seen you mention Church on your channel, so I'm about to share my feelings on him. He's one of my favorite authors. He killed my brother. He murdered my family, and you sent me his book. No, I like him. He's great. No note. Send me a note. I want to hear from you. A Fire Upon the Deep. Actually, it's A Fire Upon heart-pounding, mind-expanding science fiction X best, end quote, Publishers Weekly, The Deep, because that's what the layout of your cover says. This is also, that was way too harsh. I'm sorry. That was just weirdly mean. And this is 5-time Hugo Award-winning author. Would anyone stop you if you just put that on your cover and it wasn't true? Like, would you actually get a letter that's like, stop? Bank! And now we have, oh, there's a letter. Hey, just in case, keep talking and nobody explodes. The Bomb Diffuser's Manual. Good joke. I like it. Simple, straightforward, and got a ha out of me. Oh wait, there's that one box that was like shattered. Hold up, let's open that first. And my chopper hat. I forgot about my chopper hat. Yeah, chopper hat. All right, this one kind of... You have to open packages with this. Or it's something that's supposed to sound like shattered glass. Oh, it is! That's not... Whoa, what the hell? There's a ton of tiny little swords. Letter openers? Infinity cube. No note. Wait, how do... What? Oh, it just folds forever. That's the gimmick of the cube. That's the weirdest fidget toy I have ever seen. What is It is like math, but no note. But I got swords that are pretty heavy with a cube. Which one should I use to open boxes? Next box. Thank you for all the great book recommendations over the years. PS Goblin Cat for life. Thank you, Keith. Partials by Dan Wells. Book 1 of the Partials sequence. We got a lady looking down a hole, or not a hole, a highway towards a city. Book spank! Yeah! Chopper hat protect. Probably shouldn't be covering my eye when I'm using this knife. Multiple packages inside of packages. I swear to God, if someone else sent me something of extreme value, I'm going to be upset. This is wrapped up so tightly. Jesus. What is this, the Constitution? Oh, I see a signature. 1984, George Orwell. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Folio Society edition of 1984. Again, someone thinks I'm worth value and has sent me something that is of extreme value and very nice. It's got a letter too, and I'm sure it's heartfelt and sincere. The duck on it. Daniel, sorry for using your business email for non-business, but I wanted to make sure I didn't... I love you, Skeet. Holy crap. All right, what is this? The Exorcist. Oh my God. You know a book is intense when it has no text on the front or back, and it just says The Exorcist. That's a lot. Let's go ahead and continue to open. I'm so sweaty. Big Brother. Of course, it's beautifully illustrated. It's got all kinds of stuff. It's not as like decorated as the Game of Thrones ones. It's more straightforward and kind of simple, but I feel like that's kind of fitting for a 1984 book. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of got this bleak appeal to it. Appreciate it. I understand including your business card, but you gotta think it from my angle. I can't reach out to people in case you murder me, because I do get death threats. I feel like this one's gonna be Funko Pops. All right, I guess Spank. Spank. Those are fitting book spanks. Okay, now I'm very reasonably certain this is indeed a Funko Pop. Oh, this poor Funko Pop. They think because it's Ace, a character from One Piece I like, I'm not gonna do anything to hurt it. Take 3! It's hard to stab stuff! God, why is it so difficult to stab things? Damn it! It's surprisingly hard to stab small objects, is what I have learned. Yeah! If I ever do end up getting a lot of Funko Pops, I will take them and like donate them to a children's place or something. I'm not gonna waste a ton of them, but when it's just like one at a time, that's murder time. Oh, it's the Going Merry! It's an assembly little puzzle. Oh, that's so cute! I can put together the Going Merry. That's so cool. I might put this together on a live stream or something. Oh, that's so nice. Here, I'll gently drop you. Thank you. Final box on today's episode is filled. What the? Oh, the smell. What? It smells like leaking gas. Oh, that smells so bad. It's snacks. I'm not gonna eat food you send me. Just FYI. What in the hell is this? Pop Daddy pretzels. The strongest smelling pretzel on the planet. What, did they marinate them in Oh, here's a dill pickle flavor. Who wants dill pickle pretzels? Yellow mustard, garlic parmesan, peppercorn ranch, hot sauce, and garlic parmesan again. No note, so I don't really know why you sent these, and I probably will not be eating those. Oh no, that's pretty good. Okay, on its own, this one doesn't smell bad. It was like the accumulated miasma of all of them marinating each other in the box that smelled bad. Just don't package them in a way where they marinate in themselves for hours. But this has been your latest episode of Please Dear God, Don't Be a Funko Pop. I am so happy that this went so well. I have a fucking meteorite. I touched this and I ate food. Is that gonna be a problem? I'm gonna go talk to a doctor, and then if you get more videos from me, I lived. Like and subscribe if you have not already. If you'd like to send anything in. Do you see how heavy that is? I'm literally just putting it down. All right. If you'd like to send stuff, of course, P.O. Box in the description down below. Have a good one, y'all. Peace.